Good afternoon. I'm Zandi Lenduli, Foundation Phase Advisor, Pinetown District. I'm invited to this important meeting to represent a province because I am district-based provincial coordinator for languages. So in this meeting, I've learned a lot. The most important thing that I've learned are the data that has been shared, because I believe, especially the data that has to do with literacy and numeracy, I believe that it will actually assist us not only in Pinetown as a district, but in province as a whole, because from the data, then we need to see, as subject advisors for Foundation Phase, where are we actually going to strengthen the performance? Because we know that for now we're performing around 80%, 90%, but the focus from today's presentation, we could see that we need the target for us is 100%. So we need to make sure that we maintain and also achieve the 100% in literacy as well as in numeracy. So the first thing that we start by doing is to go back and actually encourage advisors from all the districts in Foundation Phase to make sure that they have the data for their schools. Each and every subject advisor needs to know the performance in all the schools in as far as Foundation Phase is concerned. So what I've learned is the importance of the relationship of subject advisors as well as exams and also Emmys, so that we're able to get those performances, so that we know that when we go to support the schools, we know exactly which schools we need to support because of the data that has been given to us, and also encourage each other to work with data driven districts, that is UDDD, because also that assists us a lot to actually ensure that we get those stats so that we go and improve. So we need to make sure that we improve the literacy as well as in numeracy, because we've seen, especially with illiteracy, because with illiteracy, it's actually a higher than, because if learners cannot read for meaning in Foundation Phase, then it means that going to mathematics also in Foundation Phase, life skills in Foundation Phase, it means with performance there is also going to be bad. Also going to grade 4, it means performance in grade 4 is actually going to be affected if learners cannot read for meaning. So we need to then go back. We have learned a lot, especially in the presentation that was done by IFANS, where we get to learn that Foundation Phase grade 1 learners are struggling to sound letters in a correct way, not only in isiZulu but also English. Means also we need to go back and make sure that teachers are actually changing a pedagogy on how they actually teaching literacy in as far as phonics, with how they sounding those letters. But we're happy to see that moving on to grade 2, they are able to read words, but we need to make sure that we strengthen grade 1 in terms of phonics.